Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use PayPal for Facebook Marketplace. So make sure you are logged in and then go to your profile picture, then settings and privacy, then settings again. Now scroll down this bar here on the left until you find this payment section, and then click Add Payment, and then go to Add Payment Method right here. If this is your first time adding payment method, you will be prompted for information on your preferred currency, so make sure you fill that in and you will see this screen. Then just select PayPal and click Next. Now you can sign into your PayPal account and Facebook will be connected to it. So just click Next and you can sign into your PayPal account. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.